Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Claude not responding to your messages or are they failing to send at all? Here's the fix. First, open a browser on your device and check status.claude.com. This shows you instantly where the Anthropic is experiencing a server side outage, which is a very common cause of messages not sending and has nothing to do with your device. If there is an active incident listed, the fix is simply to wait it out. If status shows all clear, then go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This will fully reset your network connection. Now force close the Cloud app from your recent app list, wait for a few while and then reopen it fresh. If messages still won't send, go to your settings, then go to Wi-Fi and try switching from mobile Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to rule out a problem with your specific network. Also in the settings, go to General, scroll down to VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is active since VPNs can sometimes interfere with the connection. So all you've got to do is check status.cloud.com first, reset your connection, force close and reopen, and try switching networks. Messages start sending again, and that's it. Subscribe.